What's up, YouTube? Bam, and welcome to another edition of Wolf King's Vids. Alright, so I heard recently, creationist pastor, what was his name? Pat Robertson. Yes, Pat Robertson. He accepts the understanding that this earth is millions of billions of years old, but he still regards the Bible as true. Like if you see the clip, it's basically him recognizing that, with the fossil record and the geological records and such, he recognizes that the earth is billions of years old, but he still tries to fit like the tales from the Bible about Adam and Eve and Noah and stuff. He tries to fit that in there with the timelines and stuff, and he tries to make up this BS about a solar day and all this. And all of this trying to merge this word salad together, try to make it seem plausible. It was really ridiculous, and it occurred to me like the real vestigiality that creationism is actually like merging into, is actually becoming. This is what the creationists or the ID movement has gotten to. I actually heard that now creationists accept speciation occurs, but they just refuse to call it evolution. Ray Comfort even got in trouble with this in this talk with Matt Dillahunty, his second talk, that is. And it really goes down now. The creationist or ID argument really comes down to this, and to help, we have our creation tard favorite Ronnie here, aka True Empiricism.
Point. Based on our measurement of causality, there are certain attributes inside of the cell and inside of the DNA code that have only been known on the level of causality that come from creative, intelligent thinking mind to be brought up.
Yeah. And then you pretend you're so stupid, like you can't understand like homeostasis, basically how like animals can actually survive and adapt and evolve in an environment, and also recognizing that without that very process, like cells wouldn't actually be able to actually develop through that stuff. It's really a matter of recognizing how biology is an emergent property through the laws of chemistry. And once you realize how that emergence actually comes about, the properties of evolution actually apply to having it become more diverse, more complex, and giving that exact time of rate, it can produce like an entire biological community of millions of different species, all related to how many ancestors that we actually measure with the fossil record, with biological classifications, and yes, and even DNA. But they will not recognize this because they just need the right amount of propaganda and bullshit to actually prop up this God the Gaps hypothesis. I mean, you got this friggin' Matter of Faith movie coming out about like trying to rehash this whole thing. Apparently Bill Nye Ken Ham the movie, but it's recognizing how models of predictive power are of utility. And if you got like good scientific naturalistic understandings and explanations to actually account for with physical evidence and reason logic, there is no reason to break Occam's razor and make more assumptions that you're going to back up with supernatural bullshit. But that is my assessment on that particular issue. I'm done here. This has been Wolf King. Peace out. If you like this video, fave, comment, share, leave me your thoughts. I'm out.